everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica, and in this video I'm going to be showing you where you can get free affiliate marketing training videos, and this is 100% free. You do not even need to sign up. I'm not an affiliate. I'm just showing you what helped me get started 3 to 4 years ago when I first began doing affiliate marketing online. I had no idea where to start, and these videos actually helped me. They taught me where to begin. So as a beginner, you need help, and jumping from one YouTube video to the other is just gonna get you exactly where you started. So what I'm about to show you is a site that you can go to without even signing up. I'm not an affiliate, but this site will actually give you free affiliate marketing training videos, 100% free, that you can access, and you can learn as much as you can about affiliate marketing before you get started, so that you can have a kind of a feel of what affiliate marketing really is and what it requires, so that you can launch a successful affiliate marketing website, affiliate marketing blog, or a campaign. This site is gonna help you, walk you through, hold you by the hand, step by step, guys. So let's go ahead without talking too much as usual. Let's get this video started. Now, before you start wondering if the videos on this site are actually useful in 2019, yes, they are. They're gonna teach you the exact strategies that people are teaching today in brand new affiliate marketing courses all around the internet, guys. These are all videos that are up to date. Now, the site you want to go to is affilorama.com. AFFILORAMA. I'm not gonna leave a link because this is not an affiliate. I'm not affiliated with these guys in any way. But what you want to do once you get there is you want to click on the lesson tab. Once you just click on the lesson tab itself, it's gonna take you to this page. Now, as you can see here, they begin with essential resources every new affiliate needs to learn about. They teach you affiliate marketing for beginners, how to do affiliate marketing, identifying all of that good stuff. And as you can see, you can click through. There are a lot of videos. Now, along with these videos, there are posts as well that you can read through, and you can go through step by step. They teach you how to do affiliate marketing on social media, Web 2.0's introduction, social bookmarking. They even teach you how to get content, how to get free content for your affiliate marketing offers, and all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and open one of these videos so that you see how it works. There you go. Now, once you click on one of the videos, it's gonna take you to where you can start your lesson. As you can see, they have videos, and they have under the videos blog posts and stuff that you can read through step by step. They teach you exactly how to do everything from start to finish. You also have people here leaving comments. And it's just a wonderful platform for anyone who wants to get their hands into affiliate marketing. They teach you where to get traffic, how to get blog content. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. And the best part about it, guys, is completely free. They do have some products on here, and when you've completed the lessons, you can even promote these guys. That's how good their platform is. You can even promote their products. So once you know that you're promoting something of value, you're gonna promote it as to the best of your ability, guys. You want to go ahead and you want to check out this site, because you're gonna get a lot of value. That's all I'm gonna say. So go ahead and check out affilorama.com, and you go to the lessons and you watch these videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay awesome as always. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Help others. Thank you guys so much and have an awesome night.